First, ensure your car is in park with the ignition on and your phone's Bluetooth is enabled. Turn on Bluetooth in your phone's settings. On the infotainment screen, go to Settings, then Connections, and select Bluetooth. Select Pair New Device. Your Elantra will search for available devices. Choose your phone from the list. Confirm the PIN that appears on both screens. The default is often 0000. After confirmation, your phone is paired. For Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, enable these features in your phone's settings. Experiencing pairing problems? Let's address the key troubleshooting steps and considerations for your 2021-2023 Hyundai Elantra. First, ensure your phone's operating system is up to date. We recommend iOS 11 or higher for iPhones and Android 8 or higher for Android devices. Software updates on your Elantra are also crucial. Many initial pairing failures were resolved through over-the-air updates from Hyundai. The Elantra supports both basic Bluetooth for calls and audio, and advanced protocols for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Wireless CarPlay is available on higher trim levels. Remember, pairing is usually a one-time setup. Your phone should automatically reconnect via Bluetooth proximity after the initial process. If issues persist, consult your Hyundai owner's manual or contact your dealer for assistance with a software update.